Alright guys, so we're gonna do an install on a Model Y. This is the brand of the company that sent me the screen. So this is the center piece that goes in the back. You guys zoom in, you guys can't see, but screen's gonna go back there. So let's unbox this. Alright, so what comes in the box? User manual. A duck. The heck? So this quick. And then I guess all the harnesses. So this and all this. And then a pry tool, a little USB to Type C, and then this is the screen itself. Alright, so let's begin taking things apart and then installing this. Just to remove this, I guess it just pops, oh there you go, just pops out, and then take the clip off here. How do you do this? You're gonna have to do that one. I don't want to break the clip.
Oh, right here on top.
There you go. And then alright, so now you guys use your little pry tool and remove this. Put it in there. Wow, it just comes off. Now there's gonna be 2 Torx bit. You're gonna remove those so this whole thing could come out. So oh my god, I can't see. What was that for?
Honestly, I think that's what this adapter's for. Yep, I knew it because on the video it doesn't have this. So
It has heated seats back here?
yeah.
The seat's getting hot.
Really?
It feels like it. We might push something.
you know what? Nah, I think your butt's just hot. I swear. Alright then.
Alright, so this is already connected, and all these little wires, you're going to connect them to the actual screen, and that's that. Everything else, oh yeah, this part goes connected to the OEM, what is that called, harness? Mm-hmm. To the OEM harness, and the little white one right here, that's for the heated seats, right? That's just the bypass for the heated seats. But everything is connected right now. We'll just connect the white part right now and then connect it and show you guys the functions of the screen. And yeah, we'll go from there. So there, plug that. That's just the bypass for the heated seats. And then you're gonna connect that into the OEM harness. There you go. Then the Model Y comes out here. Let me mount all that and then just put it here. What was the last part? What was the first part?
What was the first part? To mount it?
Yeah, what do we take off first? This, no? Because we have to do this first.
No, but I don't think this goes back. I don't think it's gonna fit, is it? Because look how big this one is.
The same.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, that has to go back.
Okay, so we'll do that one first, yeah.
This one.
No, that we took that one off to get to the bolts. So now we just gotta tuck everything.
I can pause that.
The other one had this thing too, the little. This is maybe the one that's gonna.
Yeah, stick out too much.
Mm-hmm. Right there.
Oh, it fits in perfectly.
Oh, okay. Not bad.
Alright. So now we have one for charging, and then this one is for something for USB. Everything works from the back here still. AC vents. Go here. It has Apple CarPlay for I don't know what reason, but you want to have Apple CarPlay in your Tesla in the rear, you'll have that there. All your settings are here. All right, so you have to connect the screen to Wi-Fi and then Bluetooth to the car. It's not gonna zoom all over there. It's the Android Bluetooth. Is it that one?
Yeah, this is Android.
And it says not it's connected.
No, not gonna. You have to click connect on over there.
Oh yeah, so you click connect, and then we go back here for Bluetooth settings. Is it here?
Hold it.
Yeah, and it goes in here. And then this would be all your new ones. The pin, the name.
Just connect it here. So it's paired. So after that, you can go over here to the screen, connect it, and then you just click connect.
We'll show you a YouTube video right now. Let's go here. Your apps are gonna be here. We'll play one of my videos. This is the video that it comes with the screen itself, so we're just gonna leave that one there, but it plays, sound comes from there, so it's good. Look at that. Sounds good.
No, over there.
I'm gonna do the honors and fill this off.
Oh no, go back.
But AC works. Everything works fine.
Oh shit, has another one?
Does it?
Yeah. That screen protector?
Oh, for the buttons maybe?
No, it's the whole screen. I want to leave that on there, I guess. I don't know how I like the green though.
Just take it off.
What if I take it out this way?
Okay.
Dad!
But you can move the seat.
Dad!
It has this, which I'm not sure what this is, but I think it's just the bolsters.
Yes, baby.
And then the heated seats work. They don't show up on the front, but they'll show up here, but everything works. So if your car looks like the vents before, this is a great upgrade for your car. So go from this to this. Anyway, shout out to that company that sent me the screen. There's ZHNN, I believe. But shout out to them. Anyways, it's been Dan, and I'm out. Peace.